You guys, I got a new pet. He's a little bunny. And I haven't named him yet. So I'm thinking I'm gonna name him Miguel. So I really want to make some bunny-themed slimes to make Miguel feel welcomed here at the Peachybbies warehouse. Let's get started with the first one. Our first slime is called Clay Boy Bunny. So for this slime, I went with a cloud dough texture because it feels really soft. It's drizzly. I mean, check this out. Check out this drizzle right here. Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful drizzle. And you know, it kind of resembles the texture on our bunny and his fur, his really soft fur. So for this slime, I kind of want to theme it after the colors of a bunny. I feel like pink and blue are such nice soft colors, very much like the softness that bunnies have. So let's dye our slime. All right, I'm gonna cut it into 2 parts. Give this a nice little thin. Now you might be asking yourself, like, why do I even have a bunny? Well, I just found him. I literally came in today, and first of all, I noticed that Michael is missing. I'm pretty sure he just took a sick day, but he's not here. And I was just walking around the warehouse, and I found this bunny. I don't know where he came from. I don't know if he has an owner, but now he is mine, and I want to make sure that he's happy and that he feels at home. And that begins with a slime. All right, we dyed her pink. I think this is a beautiful shade of pink. Let's move on to our blue. I love that cloud doughs have that really good drizzle. They have that really nice stretch. Okay, now we need to come up with a cute little pattern. I have my little cup ready. Now I want to change things up. I always go with a twist or like layers, but you know what? Let's get a little crazy with it. I think we can make like a cool design, kind of like those core paintings. I kind of want it to look really like trippy and very like swirly. Maybe if we combine all of these slimes, kind of like a little pancake. I'm hoping this looks good. I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna turn it into kind of like this little worm. It looks like a caterpillar right now. I'm gonna like stretch it out. Maybe give it a little twist. Okay, this part here looks good. Wait a minute, that kind of looks cool. Wait, that's fun. You can't tell me this doesn't look cool. All right, we're getting really creative with our designs here. I'm honestly really proud of this. I don't know what it's called. Let's put it in our cup. It kind of looks like a zebra print. All right, you know what? We have a lot of really nice spring-themed charms that just arrived. So let's go check them out. Let's go to Charmville. So when I think of this Clayboy bunny, I think about how he's rare, right? You know, he's loved by everyone. Everyone loves the bunny. So we obviously need to go for something that represents love and joy. And so I kind of want to add like some little hearts. I feel like that would be cute. And luckily I have the perfect ones. Check this out. Look at these little hearts. They're so cute. Ooh, these are perfect. They also have that like jelly vibe to them. I love coming out here to Charmville and just checking out our new inventory. Right now, we have the cutest little sprinkle mix. Look at that, his little eggs. I'm definitely gonna add some of this into my cup. I think we're ready. This looks awesome. The Clayboy bunny would be proud. Let's go assemble our slime. All right, we're back from Charmville. Let's see what we got here. So we all know, you know, the Clayboy bunny loves his eggs. So let's add some of these little eggs in there. Also, we can't forget our really cute little hearts because of how much he's loved and appreciated. It's on brand, you know, it's staying on theme with who he is and how special he is to me. Okay, this looks cute. Of course, this is not a Clayboy bunny slime without our Clayboy bunny. I love how he showed up today. You know, he has his little beret on, he has a little mustache. His mouth, what is that? It looks like a little mustache. He looks like a French dude. What is that? Je suis sur la table. Oh, he's a happy bunny. Okay, let's put him on our slime. Whoop. I love how this slime turned out. I'm honestly super proud of myself for going with a new crazy design. I love the swirls, all the little hearts, the sprinkles are such a nice touch. And of course, our Clayboy bunny, it can't get cooler than that. Okay, but you know what really matters is what Miguel thinks, okay? This whole thing is for Miguel. So let's show him his slime. What do you think of your slime?
Sí, está muy padre, pero no me gusta tanto.
What, dude? Miguel says it's cool and all, but it's not impressing him too much. I can't believe it. We need to try harder, okay? Let's move on to the next slime. So Miguel was honestly not impressed with the last slime, but for this one, I'm gonna go for something that I know bunnies love the most, which is carrots. But it's not just gonna be a carrot slime. This is gonna be a carrot cake ice cream slime. You're telling me that Miguel is not gonna enjoy carrot cake and ice cream? He can't say no to that. Let's get started on this slime. I have my butter base because because, you know, butter, it's like one of the ingredients that you use for cake. I'm basically bribing him to like my slime this time. So, of course, I'm gonna leave some of this slime for later because this is gonna be kind of like our ice cream and it's gonna look like the frosting on a cake. And for this part, something I learned from the last slime is that when I let my creative juices flow and I don't limit myself, I come up with some really cool slime designs. So, I've never made a cake looking slime before, but I'm excited. I really want to make it look good. So I dyed this part of our slime with a little bit of brown. I kind of want to make it look like cake. Just a little goes a long way. I actually love carrot cake. I think it's so underrated. And like, if I ever see carrot cake, I'm definitely going to indulge in some carrot cake. Comment down below if you are a carrot cake lover because I think that carrot cake is so underrated. This looks like a cake to me. Okay, so for this part, I want to go for a nice bright orange. It's got to look like a carrot, like a freshly picked carrot. So my dream is honestly to grow my own carrots one day. I think that would be amazing. It would make me feel very fulfilled to like pick a fresh carrot out of the ground, wash it, and then eat it. Carrot cake ice cream is one thing, but you know what's a game changer? Pulling out a carrot from the ground and it tasting like carrot cake ice cream cake. Okay, we have our two little cake patties right here. I want to make it look like a real cake, so I'm gonna do like some little layers. First we have our bread, nice little bread, and then this is gonna kind of act like our frosting. That's very thin. Can you even see it? And then a little bit more cake. Oh wait, this is looking good. A little bit more frosting. This time I'm gonna be a little bit more generous with it. I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, and it's time to top it off with our ice cream. So, of course, I have my special little scooper. And here's a little hack for you. If you have a perfect little ball just like that, you get your scoop, and we're literally making ice cream. This is super cute. Yeah, there's no way Miguel says no to this. If he says no to this, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go back and leave him where I found him. I'm kidding. Okay, so our slime is ready, but it's also looking a little plain. I think it needs some charms. So let's go to Charmville and find some good little charms that will spice it up. You know what? I kind of don't want to go to Charmville today. I'm always doing this by myself. And if there's one thing you guys should know about me, is that I love working with my friends, which is why I'm gonna have Jesse.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So Jess gonna help me choose the charms today. You know, the theme for this slime is carrot cake ice cream.
Carrot cake ice cream.
Yeah, so when we think of carrot cake ice cream, I think of frosting, grass. You know what? Worms.
These were my ideas from earlier, and someone's pretending like these were her ideas.
No,
that's fine.
Worms was actually Jess's idea, which is why he's helping me out.
And so was grass.
So we do have some gummy worms. What do you think? We add these?
I think we should get green grass leaves and then the green gummy bears from in this pack.
Cool, okay.
Personally.
Oh, we have some leaves right here. Here, you can choose which ones you like. We have a variety of leaves.
We need very small ones.
Very small ones. Ooh.
Where do we find very small ones at?
Wait, I think I know what you're talking about.
I think maybe over here. Oh wait, no. These ones.
Whoa, okay. Is this giving carrot cake?
It's giving yes.
It's giving yes.
Sure is. All right.
We're back from Charmville. I have a variety of earthy ingredients. We have leaves and worms. Because, of course, when we're digging in the ground for some nice, luscious carrots, we're gonna bring in some worms along with the carrots, and that's okay. I think they add a lot of personality to our carrot cake ice cream. They're just dancing around, having a good old carrot party. Carrot party. Let's add also some of these little leaves. Okay, for our final ingredient, our carrot. But you know what? I don't just have one carrot. I got two, and one has a face on it. I love when it's like simple like foods and stuff have faces on it. It just makes it 10 times better. You know, these carrots are having a very good time. They're hanging out with the worms. They're eating some ice cream. It's a good day. I want to be in that party. But look at that. Love how we did the scoops here. They look very nice. But yeah, this is a wonderful slime. Who cares what I think? We need to find out what Miguel thinks. Miguel, where's Miguel? Miguel! Miguel! What are you doing over here? Trying to go to the factory? That's no place for a bunny. Come on, let me show you your slime. So I made you a very nice slime. I think you're really gonna like this. It's a carrot ice cream cake. What do you think?
Oh, sí, me gusta mucho, pero bonito, pero no está excelente.
Are you kidding me? He likes it, but he doesn't love it. He is one tough cookie. We have to make a better slime than this. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we're gonna make a chocolate bunny slime. I feel like Miguel might appreciate another bunny slime, and also, who doesn't love chocolate, right? For the base, I'm gonna go with a foam texture because it's such a fun and cool looking texture, and I'm gonna dye it brown because I want it to look like a giant chocolate bar. Foam textures are so crunchy and sizzly. They feel so nice when you play with them. They also always have a really satisfying stretch. Just listen to that crunch, you guys. It's so sizzly. Hopefully we get a nice rich chocolate color. Okay, I like this. So I'm gonna lay it out just like that. And then I have some butter slime that I'm gonna dye pink and then kind of drizzle it on top of this chocolate bar to create that same effect. You know what I'm thinking as I'm making this slime? This right here kind of looks like Cocoa Puffs. I think choosing a foam texture definitely made this look more like Cocoa Puffs than a giant chocolate bar, but I think it still looks nice. Also, with this pink, it's gonna add that nice pop of color. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna stretch it out. My goal here is to create a really nice drizzle. Let's see here, ready? And we make beautiful drizzle. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Okay, I'm gonna press it down a bit. And now let's roll this up. Wait, that looks really cool. I actually am very happy with how this looks. Let's grab a cup and assemble our slime. Now, I really like this area right here in the middle, so I'm just gonna cut this piece off. It's kind of like a fudgy strawberry chocolate. All right, let's hope I don't mess up the design. Okay, that looks good. It also kind of looks like a muffin. When I think of chocolate bunnies, I think of confetti and I think of Easter. So let's go see if we can find some confetti sprinkles. You know what I also think about with the whole confetti and Easter thing? My birthday is very close to Easter. It's on April 3rd, so I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Growing up, I would always celebrate Easter with my family, and we would also celebrate my birthday, not like at the same time, but kind of like we would have like an Easter cake, and usually we would kind of celebrate it like if it was a birthday party, you know, a celebration of life. So Easter is very important to me. I know that we have some confetti sprinkles here somewhere. I just can't find them. Oh, you know what? I really like these charms right here. Wait, okay, so they kind of look like worms, but they also look like the floor of a Mr. Gaddy's. And I think this is super on brand with my birthday because I would always celebrate my birthday at Mr. Gaddy's. So let's just use some of these. And of course, we're working with a chocolate bunny here. I know we have some really nice bunny sprinkles or charms. Would you look at that? We have pink flower bunnies. We have strawberry bunny. This is perfect since we're going with like a strawberry chocolate vibe. I'm gonna grab some of these. Okay, time is ticking. We need to finish this slime and show it to Miguel. Hopefully he likes it. We're back from the Ville. Let's add our little sprinkles. I'm so glad that I found these little strawberry bunnies. And of course, we gotta sprinkle some of those worms. Someone please comment what these are. I have no idea. They look like worms, but they also look like Z's. I know Miguel is gonna like this slime, but to finish off this slime, I had an amazing clay made. A little chocolate bunny. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. Let's add him to our slime. This looks great. Honestly, there's no way that Miguel isn't going to love this. So let's see what he thinks. Miguel, he's gone again. Where could he? Oh, you know what? The factory. Let's go find him. Miguel, what are you doing? I told you you couldn't be out here. Oh, I see. You just wanted to play with the Easter restock this whole time.
Sí, me gustan mucho.
You know what? I can't blame you. That's right, y'all. It's Easter time. And here at Peachybbies, we love to celebrate holidays, which is why we have a ton of really cool Easter-themed slimes. My favorite right now is Egg Hunt because it's a brand new texture. Check this out. It's super beautiful, really crunchy. And just like this one, we have a ton of other really nice slimes that are literally flying off the shelves right now. So you wanna make sure you get one while they last. I recommend Chicky Crunchies. These are limited time only, so you wanna make sure you get one while they last. All right, Miguel, I really worked hard on this slime. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? What? I can't believe this. Are you serious right now? Okay, guys, I think we need to work harder on the last slime. It better not disappoint. And if it does, I'm sending Miguel back to the streets. Let's get into it. Okay, so for this last and final slime, I am going all out. This is going to be the best slime I've ever made at Peachybbies. And if this doesn't impress Miguel, then I'm gonna retire. How about that, Miguel? Is that what you want? That's right. Let's get started on the slime. The theme is eggs, but not just any eggs. It's golden egg. I don't know what color to dye the slime, but you know what? We're gonna dye it gearing towards our target audience, which is Miguel here. And from the looks of it, it looks like his favorite color is purple. Okay, we're gonna dye this slime We're going for a nice light shade, okay? Because I want it to match his fur. All right, look at that color. We now have an amazing, stretchable, beautiful slime. This is why I love a good snow fizz. Now we need to find the perfect sprinkles for this slime because this has to be the best slime I could ever make here at Peachybbies, or else my career is over. It's time to teleport to Charmville. We're here. Why do I have a chair? I don't need a chair. I could have done that without the chair. Okay, we need some sprinkles, right? What does Miguel like? I don't know. I've known him for a day. Are you kidding me? I haven't taken the time to get to know him because I've been making slimes to impress him and I haven't been able to do that. Also, you know what that relative who doesn't really know you well give you for Christmas every time? Cash. So since I don't really know Miguel that well, I think he's gonna appreciate some cash. Oh yeah, make it rain, baby. You know what people also appreciate when you're just starting to get to know them? Flowers. Can't say no to flowers. Money and flowers, that's probably good. All right, we gotta assemble our slime, so we need to teleport back. Oh, dang it. I forgot my chair. Oh, now I'm all out of teleports. Okay, we're back. Let's assemble this slime. Who knew a chair was that important, right? Everybody needs a good chair to sit on. Everyone needs love. And that's why I'm trying my best to make the most beautiful slime so that Miguel can feel loved. And I'm gonna give him cash, because extra points for that. Cash, who doesn't love cash? All right, it's time for the final touch. I tried really hard on this one because one was not enough. So we have 2 eggs and 1 is golden. And also, is that the sound of money? Oh, oh yeah. I just want to squish them already. I know that's gonna feel so satisfying, but we have to show the slime to Miguel. Luckily, he's right here. Miguel! Okay, what do you think, Miguel? There's a golden egg and there's 2 eggs.
No me gusta.
He doesn't like it, but he doesn't know. There's a little surprise. Miguel, check this out. Ta-da! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba! Woo! It's raining money! Miguel, can you believe that? These eggs have money inside! What do you think?
Me gusta.
Yes! I did it, guys! I impressed Miguel. I am not retiring anytime soon. Make sure to like this video and I'll see you guys next week. Happy Easter!